It is an art and craft room of Military School, Shirpur, Maharashtra. Here we are showing some activities and creations which is done by students. This poster is based on Kargil Vijay Divas, done by students and our teacher. It's a Sanchi Stoop situated at Madhya Pradesh. This whiteboard is for students. We are doing here one activity, Artist of the Week, where students are showing their talent and we are keeping it for a week. It is done by Avesh Parmar. Horse has started by Amay Chaudhary, and this line drawing has done by Vishnu Mali, 10th class student. Our Honorable Trustee, Shri Mukesh Bhai Patel. Some portraits done by poster colors. On tinted paper, a sketch of Rabindranath Tagore. Oil painting by an art teacher. It's a craft activity. Paper mache, cloth and acrylic colors. It's a beautiful scene. For landscaping we are using a face of Lord Ganesha. We are showing here some posters which is done by students. 10th class student Samarth Padane. Amay Chaudhary, 10th class. It is done by Avesh Parmar, class 10. Vishnu Mali, class 10. Some colorful examples which is shown by teacher. Still life study done by an art teacher. Some flowers. It was a part of activity for class 3rd. These beautiful fruits created by class 4 student. Here we are showing some portraits which is done by Amay Chaudhary. He is fond of making sketches, portraits by 8B, 6B and 10B. Some posters. Vaibhav Ganar, 9th class. 8th class student Om Mali. Madhuram Sonbane, class 8th. Vaibhav Ganar, 9th class. Deep Patel, 8th class student. Om Mali, class 9th. He is fond of using crayons and oil pastels. Some posters based on celebrations. Done by students and teacher. It's a portrait of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel which is done by Yogesh Sirsat, 12th class student. Some beautiful posters. Athar Vahire, 10th class student, Prathamesh Bhamre and Karthik Patel, all belonging to 9th class. Bharat Mata, it is started by Vishnu Mali, 10th class student. Acrylic color he is trying to fill. Unfinished work, still lifes. Oil painting by our teacher. One collective activity, a peacock, which is created by 8th class student. It was an idea of Yash Pavra and he has done with his friends Om Mali, Harshal Salunke and others. Beautiful envelope created by student and teacher. Yash Pavra, Gunthan Jain, Manish and others, all belonging to 8th class. These are unfinished works started by students. Some line drawings and landscapes by an art teacher. Face of an elephant by West out of Best. Only newspaper is there. Poster which is showing striking features of India, done by Harshal Salunke, 9th class student. Some small creations based on monochromic effects done by teacher. Creative craft by Yash Pavra, 9th class student and his friends. Posters based on celebrations. The poster showing celebration of Dussehra. Started by Om Mali, 8th class student. Some small creations for kids, class 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th student. They are trying to make it. One activity which is started by Bhavesh Parmar, one of the best student of military school. Raj Patel, class 7th. Some sketches, Samarth Badane, Bhavesh Parmar, class 10th, Vishnu Mali, class 10th. The boy is having very good skills of drawing and coloring both. These pencil shading work done by 6th, 7th, 8th class students. A portrait sketch done by teacher. Beautiful poster done by Harshal Salonke. Mayur Mali. One of the best poster created by Gunthan Jain, class 9th student. He has done well. Class study done by an art teacher.